I cannot even express. Hello friends, it's Thursday and I feel like on Thursdays now we talk about things that we love during the week and maybe things that didn't work out. It's kind of like a little roundup. I'm gonna put these on. These are from Elemis. I've used these and then I misplaced them and I absolutely love them. And then I keep most of my skincare downstairs, and these were downstairs and they were supposed to be up here. But these are the Elemis Pro Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. I'm gonna put them on while I chat with you. The allergies are allergying, but not as bad. You can kind of hear it more today, but I do feel better. This is gonna make me feel much better. Yes. I cannot even express how amazing this feels underneath my eye right now. Oh, I feel brand new. So you're supposed to leave these on 20 minutes. So I'll take them off once we're done here. It feels so nice. I'm actually gonna finish my skin prep once I get done with these, but for now, I thought it'd be fun just to look at some things that were sent over. I actually purchased an Armani blush in the Sephora sale that's going on right now, but it's not here yet, and then they sent all of them to me. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. So this color is the shade 50. Honestly, these are pretty. They're so, I'm sorry. Y'all are gonna have to contend with that. But I'm here. I'm so excited to try these. Let's look at all of them. Now look at this one. I'm so excited for these. I did lightly swatch the pink one, which you'll see in a second, but I'm trying to make sure that I'm labeling them right. So the first one is shade 30. And then I'll just have them right here in order. So the top one will be 30 and then down. Ooh, I bet that's gonna be pretty too. That is shade 60. Hopefully I can get through them in one slide. Oh, that's such a pretty classic, just pinky. Oh, I'm excited. That's 51. Oh, so funny. The pink one's the last one I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna do that one separately. Ooh, that's pretty. Compare it to that one. This is the one that I purchased, not this one. The one that I purchased isn't here. Armani sent this one. Armani, just want to remind y'all, Armani did send all of these over. But that's gonna be a party that we're gonna need to go to. I'm so excited to try these. I haven't tried them yet. So normally I shouldn't be showing them, but I got so excited for them that I wanted to show them to y'all. Okay, so something that I've definitely tried, worn, loved, 10 out of 10, would recommend. These cream gel liners from ColourPop. These aren't new, but what ColourPop is doing is they're trying to focus on staples, not just limited edition. So they're kind of revamping that. I'm so sorry, but I'm here. Please forgive the coughs. I think these are just so much fun. And it's just a really quick way just to add some spice. We'll just say we did a really neutral eye and we just throw this green on our waterline. I love them. I love the quality. I love the color selection. I love everything about these. 10 out of 10. Oh, and I have a discount code. I make a commission off of it. I make commission. But if you want to use that code, the code is ROSE. Okay, cough drop is secured. I'm a little cough drop chipmunk. I'm feeling better. So these, okay, any lip liner, you could use it with a matching lip liner. You can use it with matte cork. You could use it with a darker, I'm throwing things. You could use it with a darker lip liner than cork, depending on your skin tone. The formula, the way that they blend, the way that they wear, everything about these is special. And I highly recommend them getting them in the Sephora savings event right now, but don't miss that. They're so good. And these two are my favorite colors. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Please, I love them so much. I have not stopped wearing them. By the way, this is the gloss right here. This is Sweet Tooth Gloss. I have the tutorial. In fact, I should just post the tutorial here. I'll post the tutorial for this lip here. But I also want to talk about this, and this is the excuse me. This is the shadow I have on. Look at that sparkle. That's that. And this is from Wet n Wild, and it's so affordable. And I saw it at H-E-B the other day. I live in Texas, and we have H-E-Bs, but it is at Walmart. So if you happen to see this, totally worth it. That's that eye. I mean, that eye makeup looks like it's $1 million, and it was this palette. So affordable. I was going to tag it here because it's a little jumbly. Anyways, it's the Wet n Wild Sesame Street palette. I did a blue look. It's on TikTok. I did an ad for them. This is not an ad. Remember, I love you so much. It would say ad. I would never jeopardize what we have here. Anyways, I love this palette. I love it. And it's so pretty. In fact, I want to do a look with the green next. Ooh, the greens and the browns. So pretty. It's so good. It's just such good quality. And you'll remember last year was not an ad. They had the Snoopy collection, and I loved that palette too. So the Snoopy and this one, I love them. All right, we need to do another look with these. I just saw these next to me because these were the best. I'm the worst. These are the best, most affordable duochromes that I've tried. They are so good. We're not going to use a primer with these because they're a liquid and we don't want to change that formula. Y'all, these are so good. I did an entire shadow wing and it would have been in my crease and it did not move. It didn't flake. It didn't do anything but stay and look amazing. I'm actually going to leave them right here. That's the sound of them being very close to me because I want to do another look. They're so fantastic. I want to use them just as liner. I love them so much. So liquid shadows are having a moment. This color really stood out to me. I like the REM ones. There's just not as many colors that I like from them, so you don't see me use them a lot, but the formula is great. We have videos on liquid eyeshadows. Sorry if I'm like hesitating and not as fast. I'm really trying not to cough. So I'm like, hang on, let me get my thoughts together. Anyways, these are the colors that I have and I absolutely love this one. So I've used this one before. I like the shade Capulets more from About Face, but I do love this shade. It's G2G. Love, love, love. These two are... Just hiss and everything will be fine. These two are really, really, really pretty, but they're not something that I would use all the time. Stunning though. G2G, but this shade... Okay, let me stop this and we're going to swatch it. Okay, who am I kidding? Let's do a little eye look. Let's start with G2G. This is the one I just showed y'all that I really, really like. Let's throw that in the crease because I really want y'all to see this color. I think this one might be picking up. Might be worth picking up, and the reason why is because I don't know of one that's a liquid like this one. So let's go ahead and tap that. No eyeshadow base with these. We don't want to change that formula. Just tapping that in with our 828. Smoothing it across. And I put on too much, so we'll just wipe the lid away. Easy. It doesn't need to look perfect. You'll see why in just a second. Perfect. Now this color, I don't even know the name of it, but I swatched it. It's called Comet. This color is, it's gorgeous. Let's stop it about right there. There's a ruckus. That is so pretty. So now I'm taking my E28 and I'm just going to soften the shimmer into the matte. Just kind of push it in there. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. All right, now let's finish off with this color. BRB, and then I just took it here. Same brush, and then I just tapped it over this way, and then I tapped it into the crease a little bit more. I feel like it's just a darker, little bit darker version of G2G. Let's use one of the cream gel liners. This is the shade Hit the Jackpot. And we'll just smudge this into our lash line. I'm gonna relax my eye and kind of take this. See how I'm taking it kind of at an angle? So it's less here and then a lot more over this way. Let's take our same brush and before this sets, let's just soften the top edges, just smudge it a little bit. We don't want to smudge the lash line because that's normally what you want to keep the darkest. So from here to right here, you want it to be pretty dark, but we can smudge the top part. And I'm using the tip of the brush and just kind of feathering up. So push up. Think of it as that. I'm gonna hold it a little further back, and then over here, I'm just gonna tap to soften. So I took my powder foundation, my Makeup Forever one that I wear every single day, and I just smoothed, like I always do, from the brow bone to the very top part of the crease, just to kind of smooth all this out. So I'm actually in the middle of washing my lashes. I did a tutorial on it. It's on Reels, and these are the ones that are dry, so I'm just gonna use these. My other ones are not dry. Pretty. All right, we can take these off now. There we go. Ooh, that is a juicy under eye. I'm gonna finish the rest of my skin prep. So I already have my eye cream on, and I just put these on top. Ooh, I wish y'all could feel that. Just give it a little tap. Actually, I feel a little bit of flakiness. I've been doing my retinol. So I'm just gonna grab one of my Elemis pads just through the center. My cheeks don't need it, and then my under eye is fantastic. Sometimes I'll just do this really, really quickly right before makeup. I know these are spicy priced, but make sure that you're signed up for emails with Elemis, and they usually have them on sale at Ulta. There's usually a deal. You can find a deal. I try to post when my supporters, when y'all tell me, you're like, oh, it's a deal. Also, it's gonna help fade these little extractions. This one's almost faded because that one was older. Okay, just through the center. Then I'm gonna let that dry down. It feels nice too, especially right now. It's like a face massage. Oh, by the way, I haven't done retinol in like 3 days, so this is just the retinol sloughing off the skin. I don't like to do these directly after the night that I've done the retinol. That could be a little too harsh. So it's just kind of getting any dead skin that's peeling around, and just want to let y'all know. Another foundation that I really like, I've worn it enough to let y'all know that I really, really like it, but I also want to warn you, it is scented. I'm talking perfume scented. Do I like this scent? Yes. Will you like this scent? I don't know. So I want to just warn you that it is so heavily scented, but it's beautiful. It wore beautifully. I'm balanced to dry, but I feel like with the right skin prep, unless we're just absolutely using a balmy foundation, we can make just about any foundation work. I like to keep that in mind. Skin prep just really makes or breaks foundation. That being said, I really liked everything about it. I even like the bottle. A little goes a long way. And it's just really pretty, and it also feels very lightweight. It honestly felt like serum going on my face. I don't think I'm gonna finish my makeup today, only because that's why. Even though I'm not gonna put foundation on, I'm still gonna do my skin prep, because my skin prep is technically my skincare routine. And this just makes me feel happy when I don't feel my best. Y'all are so sweet to put up with me. I feel like tomorrow Ben's gonna watch this video and he's gonna be like, ma'am, you're taking the day off. And I'm gonna be like, no sir, I'm not. And he's gonna be like, no. And then he's probably gonna make me take the day off. I'm gonna try not to. Let's hope he doesn't watch my story and watch all this hacking. These are new. I'm just gonna put it on. We're not gonna get the same effect because I don't have all my makeup on, but here we are. These are from Make Beauty. I love Make Beauty, by the way. And these are their new lipsticks. Ooh. So, to me, these are, oh, that's so pretty. And the reason that I'm saying that it's already really pretty, it's a very juicy, balmy formula, but it's very pigmented. And I feel like that's where lipstick is going at the moment, and I am not upset about it. Because balm, it gives us a really beautiful glow, but it doesn't move around the face the same way that gloss does. So we get that really pretty shine, but we get the really nice pigment. I'm excited. I'm excited to try more colors. There's a black one and a blue one. Oh, here's something that I tried, but it was so light I wasn't able to give a final verdict. This one was okay in color, still way too light. I'm gonna go buy them. I'm pretty sure they're at Ulta. This is the new MAC all over face pin. It's kind of cool. I'm excited. But again, I did try it. It felt interesting, but I wasn't able to give y'all a final verdict because I need to go buy darker shades. This is how I feel. At least my eyeshadow and eyelashes look cute. Oh, and my lips. And my under eye. All right, I think that's it. To be honest, I didn't want to overwhelm y'all. I try not to overwhelm y'all with too much. But those are things that really made me excited and happy. And they made my makeup heart sing. I don't think anything really let me down recently. I think makeup's been cooperating. I actually have a bunch of absolutely precious reviews and comments and DMs. So I do want to post those, but this just, it warms my heart. I have so many, and I'm just thrilled that y'all are really enjoying the brushes, especially enjoying them as much as I do. I feel like they really make makeup even more fun because honestly, they always just do what I want them to do. They go in and they do into the blush and then on my face the way that I envision it, the way that I envision makeup going onto a face. So I'm gonna post some of these, I think. Excuse me. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for me today. I'm gonna try to come on tomorrow. I always update y'all, but yesterday I went and I filmed a lot of videos. I think I filmed too many videos, and then I'm still wanting to film another video. I'm gonna stop myself. I need to go. I really think I just need to go rest because I just keep going and going. I can't stop. I just have ideas and they're so helpful and I need to get them out. I need to get them out the way that I'm envisioning them. And then if I wait too long, I don't lose the idea because obviously I have it in my notes, but I lose the vision of getting that idea across to you. I need to go. I need to go rest. I at least need to just sit down and just be still. I love y'all so much. I'm still going to post tonight. It's going to be a really helpful video. I love y'all so much. And thank you for all the sweet wishes. I will get better. I should be better, at least by the weekend. I love you.